This is something here where we really want to talk about. Yes. So in a Jamaican culture, you know, they go against gay people, right? The culture itself, they don't like that kind of people. And whether you're the male or the female, and we need to talk about it. Say, if you learn in your family, say you have one of those genders in your family, it's like you have them off. If you learn that, a lot of people do, and it's not just in a Jamaica, but overall, they look down upon them. Um, with me now, may I go say something to you? I have been watching somebody that I know over the years, like ever since he was a little boy, and just how he used to act, I know that that is not something that just happen, because it's somebody that are involved in them life since they were a child. And to see now manifesting and grow up and see the way he act, it tells me that he definitely did not just change because somebody hurt him. What make a lot of people change into that is because they are hurt. So they want to try new things and they want to follow. That is not right. That is the part where, you can't tell people what to do with their life. But to me, that part is kind of seems a little bit different to me than when somebody literally born and been acting like that, like they have mostly female hormones inside of them. The only thing with me, and listen to me, and this is how I feel about it. I don't care. They're not in my face. They're not putting it to me. So I don't care. Okay? Because they're not in my circle. They're not in my environment. And I have nothing against them. No. And if they're in my circle and they're right next to me, I have nothing against them. I don't care. The thing is, the problem I have is that when we see them and how they act more as if they have this and that and extra. Like, it's just that to me, kind of like, why they have to act like that? And I question that sometimes to myself, like, they act way more feminine than us. Is it that? So I question that. And if any one of them I watch this movie, I really want them to tell me, like, what make them act so extra than us as we are the females and we don't act like, what make it? Is it because they want to stand out? Is it the act? Is it what make them go to that extra mile? I don't know. And that is something. But apart from that, I don't have no issue with them because I have seen it in kids. And to me, when you see that, I just think like, okay, I think that child get more female hormones. Seeing it in a child, you can't change them because it been in a them from them was a child. I have seen it with my eyes. I know someone, they didn't come out in the forefront yet, but just the friends them that he kept over the years make me know because the friends them that he keep is that kind of friends. But he didn't come to his family and said, okay, I am this. You know what I mean? I am that. He didn't. So, and I've never seen him with a girl, and he's almost 30 now, and I never see him with a female. So I don't know if he's hiding because in Jamaica that's what they have to like hide who they are. So, it's kind of hard to be living in a shadow. If you feel like that's what you want to do, I don't think people should tell you what to do with yourself. And I don't think people should try to even, you know, hurt people that doing that. And someone was telling me something about or Donald Trump is very upset when he sees them. I don't know if that's true, but I was talking to this lady and she said that to me yesterday. Oh, Donald Trump is very upset when he sees them behaving like that. But I just want to find out like what triggered them to make them behave so extreme, you know, than an actual female. It I kind of have that question because I don't grow up around it, so I'm still learning them. I'm still learning who they are, like, like, so because they do act like some females, but like it's extra to me. So I was asking myself, what make they act like that? And then no, yesterday I was talking to this lady that always watch um Trump, and he says that, I don't know, so I'm gonna say allegedly he says that like he don't like to see when them act like that. But I was always questioning why they act like that. Yeah, I just always want to know. So if someone is watching this, maybe they can tell me in the comment section. And if you have a family member, maybe you can ask them and come back and tell me, because I do read your comments. But I have nothing against them. They are human just like us. If you cut them, you see the same thing that run from me. If they want to act like that, who are me to judge them? I'm not judging them. It's just that I have a question. I really wanted to ask them. Yeah. What makes them act so extra? I mean, I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it out. Because in Jamaica, I don't think they can act like that unless they're just in an environment by themselves. So that's why it kind of like, I never see this until when I come here. So I don't really know. A lot of people are just hiding in Jamaica. They're just hiding who they are. So I don't really know it. I don't understand why they act like that. So I never get to talk to anybody. Sometimes I want to talk to the person that I think is that and ask them, they can tell me because I see it from they were a child. But sometimes I feel like to approach him. But he's not acting like that though. He's really not. It's just that I see I see him being acting more femalish ever since he was a child. And that you cannot change, guys. I don't care about what you said about the culture, blah, blah, blah. We have to leave some things to God to be judged. We are not God. And we always be on this earth judging people and judging people as if we create them. We did not create them. And they choose to do what they want to do with themselves. We cannot tell them what to do. We cannot tell them how to live their life. Let them do what they want to do. Let them do what they want to do. So I have nothing against them, even though I'm a Jamaican and I know the culture go against it. I don't care who you do it. It's not my business. And just like me, who I do it is not yours. So, bye bye. Yeah, me just have that question there. And if you don't see that video here, answer me. Me want to know. Here, big up on yourself. Well, more life, more blessing, more prosperity. But that has enough love. Oh, remember to hit the like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Okay? All right.